Here's the problem with not constantly recruiting. If you're not constantly filling your pipeline with fresh meat, like people who are motivated and inspired to sell, you are putting a lot of pressure on the existing people in your organization because you're betting everything on them. You're putting all of your eggs in one basket. And that becomes really, really challenging when they're not performing the way that you want them to, or they fall off the map. I hate when this happens, right? Because those are your people. Like, you're having to squeeze every drop of juice out of that orange. Not if you've got oranges constantly coming in, right? Like, that's why recruiting is so important, to be constantly doing it. We want to believe that in this job, like, oh, I'm just going to hire some people and then I'm going to find my right people and then they're going to be with me forever because I'm going to treat them right and the money's going to be good and I'm set. That never happens. It never really works out that way. So recruiting is an ongoing thing. That way you don't have to be hyper focused on getting the results out of the few people that are part of your sales team right now. So if you're having trouble with that, please reach out to me. Like, the old way of, oh, I hope I find this one person and I'm going to bring them along and invest a bunch of time and energy into them. And then when they don't work out, you're heartbroken over it. You're exhausted. You're burnt out. That doesn't work anymore. I want to show you how to do this more on autopilot with an SOP in-house that makes it like clockwork to be able to attract people in constantly and run training classes and launch people out constantly. And from there, you let the cream rise to the top. So book a call with me. I'd love to chat with you about it and solve some of your problems.